Let's differentiate 1 minus cosh x over 1 plus cosh x. This is the quotient, so of course we have to use the quotient rule. And let's get to work. G prime of x. And before I forget, let me just draw the fraction bar and then let me square the denominator. So we have 1 plus cosh x square, okay? And then for the numerator here, I'm going to copy down the denominator, which we have 1 plus cosh x. And then we will multiply by the derivative of the top. Derivative of 1 is 0. Derivative of negative cosh, it's negative sinh. And the reason for that is derivative cosh is sinh, but then we have the negative right here. So we multiply by negative sinh x, okay? And maybe let me not draw the parentheses because otherwise there will be a lot of parentheses. Okay, and then we subtract because the quotient rule says so. We subtract, we copy down the top, which is 1 minus cosh x, and we multiply by the derivative of the bottom. Derivative of 1 is 0. Derivative of positive cosh is positive sinh x. Just like that. And perhaps you can make your fraction bar longer. And what we do is, of course, we distribute and try to combine terms on the top. We do that. So multiply this and that, we get negative sinh x, right? And then this times that is negative cosh x sinh x. So we have the cosh x sinh x. And then for the second part, we are going to distribute the sinh into the parentheses, but then there's a negative. So I'm looking at this as negative 1 times sinh x. We have negative sinh x. And negative times the negative becomes positive. This times that is cosh x sinh x. So we add cosh x and sinh x, like that. Is there anything that we can cancel? Yes, there is. This is negative cosh x sinh x, and this is positive version of that. So this and that cancels. Is there anything that we can combine term? Yes. This is negative sinh x. We have another one, negative sinh x right here. So together, we have negative 2 sinh x on the top over that on the denominator, 1 plus cosh x square. This is it. And then the parentheses is not really needed unless you have more things going on inside of the sinh function. For example, if you have sinh of 3x, then use the parentheses. But then if you just have an x, that's okay. This is it.